In this video, we're gonna tour the 383Rblok 2020 Forest River Sandpiper. It has the new colors and it has epic bunkhouses.
Yeah, and if you guys got kids, you got to take a look at this model. It's absolutely beautiful. Welcome back to the RV Odd Couple. My name is John.
And I'm Mercedes. Long story short, we sold most of our possessions in pursuit of freedom, independence, and adventure.
Because life is so short, guys.
It is, and in this video, we're gonna tour the 383Rblok 2020 Forest River Sandpiper. We've got 2 bathrooms, we've got a bathtub, we've got crazy bunks.
I've been on a lot of RVs, and I have never seen a rig that is so perfect for a family. If you got 4 kids, maybe even 5 kids, this rig is fantastic. It's got privacy for the kids, privacy for mom and dad. It's spacious. The color scheme is absolutely gorgeous. You guys are gonna love the tour of this rig.
We are current owners and full-time RVers. We own a 2018 Forest River Sandpiper. So in this video, we're gonna tell you what we like about this RV, things that we don't like that maybe we like from the older model better. And being full-time RVers, we're gonna offer that perspective of what it's really like day in and day out. Wow.
Oh, there's that pantry door we saw. Check this out. Check this out.
Wow.
Same thing here. So, yeah, I don't think we have to go through. We can use the.
But this is 4.
Yeah. A lot of space in here.
Check out all that space. These are pretty deep.
Yep.
These are good size.
Yep.
And I like the fact that there's 4 of them. That's awesome.
Yeah, look for the fireplaces on this one.
Oh,
And the
nice.
TV. This is kind of a little weird.
Yeah.
But I do like how they use the space. Put the TV and you still have counter space so you don't lose it.
Yeah. You could just put for football, babe. You could put all the football snacks right here, so you don't even have to look away.
I'd be killing the person that was eating the snacks in a big play.
This is interesting. Should I even attempt this?
Check that out.
Oh, wow. I was afraid I would mess this up. This is really nice.
Go to that closet down there. Oh, actually, go over the tops. Yep.
I love this big range.
It's the same big range in every single unit.
Yep. More storage. This is nice. And then this is nice too. So you have 2 in your kitchen. This is double
drawers right across from each other. It's really cool.
Exactly.
Okay, and then of course under the sink. Yep. There's probably 1. Nope, no shelf.
So you lose a little bit of space there.
Okay, open that pantry door.
All right. You ready? Dun, 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 dun.
Oh, nice.
Wow.
Nice.
That's a lot of space.
Yep. Okay, Sage is gonna go see how it is for a fort. Is it a good one? Sagey? Is it a good one? Come on, man.
Come on, man.
She wants me to
You want to close it?
Oh
Alright.
my goodness. Hold on. I'm doing that. Look at that. She wants her privacy. Oh my goodness.
Same light fixture.
Yeah. This is darker. This is darker and the couch is darker. But it's really nice. The wall panel being lighter adds a lot to it. Ooh. Ooh, that's a modern looking light. This feels like a home. smart. Because when you travel, these doors move. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
Look at this. This is a little castle for a kid back here, guys.
Oh my goodness.
Wow.
This is insane.
Look at this.
Oh my goodness. All right.
This is the
crazy.
one with, I think this is the one that has the tub.
Yes.
So you got a loft area there. Pull that ladder out, sweetheart. That's kind of a tall ladder to climb.
Yeah. All right. This is crazy. Oh my goodness. This is insane, John. This is crazy.
Mm-hmm.
They even have shelves in there.
You got the upper bunk.
Yeah.
You got the futon on the bottom.
Which is nice that they did this.
Yeah.
I love that.
I'll show you guys what this looks like here. Wow.
And then now
Open
let's look at
those.
this
How
one.
deep are those? Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna start with
Nice
this
and
one.
deep.
Yeah, this is a good size.
Nice and deep. Yep. It's good storage.
This is excellent storage.
Yep.
And then this.
Does it go back? Way back? Nope, not too. Oh, this is gonna have the outdoor kitchen, I bet.
This just needs a
Oh,
rod
I
for
know what
a
it is.
closet.
The pantry closet's behind it. So,
Yeah.
Yep.
This just
put
needs a little
closet
rod,
right in there.
and you got a perfect closet. Oh my goodness. John! John! Look!
Oh, it's a little tiny
Look at
bathtub.
Tub?
It's a bathtub.
Do you
Look
like
at
the
the
bathtub?
one.
Bathtub.
Say bathtub!
So it's a 36-inch tub.
no
but
touchies, no touchies.
a tub in an RV is somewhat unheard of. It's very difficult to find one, and it looks like Forest River has figured it out.
She's loving this. She won't
Can
let
you
it go. Say
Come on out.
bathtub.
Come on out.
Say bathtub.
Bathtub.
Bathtub. Oh, look at all the storage in
It's a
there.
good deep cabinet. And then there's a door that heads to the outside.
Bathtub.
And so this is the very back of the RV. And so in the R block, this is the one with, it's got its own little tub and this door. This is the very back corner of the RV. This bathroom sits right in the back. Little tub, 3-foot tub, which our daughter would absolutely love. Pretty much a swimming pool.
Yeah, she loves it.
Okay.
She keeps saying bathtub.
Stop putting on the water.
It's crazy.
So this is the bunk up top. And so it's a double-sided bunk and a little storage up here.
That's so cool. This is a dream come true for kids.
For a kid, yeah. This is a perfect kid's room.
Sage, get out of
You
the
could easily
bathtub.
put 4 kids back here.
Yeah,
And actually maybe 2 on the futon because it opens to a double.
exactly. If you have kids, this is the one to look at. This is a control panel. This is the same bathroom we have right now.
Yeah.
Just lighter.
Just open it all the way. Thank you. Got it.
It looks so much bigger because the colors are so much lighter.
Yeah, but see how low the ceiling is? This is just like our bathroom.
This is, yeah.
This is a spitting image, but it's much lighter than the bathroom we have right now.
It's so crazy how lighter colors will
Open that
totally
one.
change a space.
Yep. Okay. Skylight up above.
And the little
Okay.
bench seat.
Little bench seat.
That bench seat is awesome.
Bedroom.
And then
Oh, this is pretty much our rig right now.
It is, except you know what? Look, the floors aren't carpeted.
Right. No
That's
carpet in
awesome.
this. Smart move.
Very
There hasn't been
smart
carpet
move.
in any of this, has there?
I don't think so. Come here, Sage, stop. We'll find out when we look through.
This is all roughed in for washer and dryer. They say roughed in, but you still have to cut the vent hole if you have a venting one.
Your fingers are gonna open.
at that bathtub.